Dear student, class 10, welcome to our online class, Greenfield School and College. Yesterday I already solved your objective model test question. Today I will solve the rest of the question. 81, question 81. Mr. Kalam lives with his family, children, parents and grandparents. The type of his family is. The answer will be B. Joint family. 82. Which one is the most important medium children's socialization? The answer will be family. Number B. 83. The dear and near person to a child are mother and father. 84. Which type of family is not found in Bangladesh? Answer will be C. Polyandrous. Dear student, yesterday I have a mistake. Question number 63. The answer will be C, not D. Look, read the following stem and answer the question. No, 85 and 86. Mahbub is in class 9. Both of his parents are service holder. Mahbub regularly goes to school. His parents take good care of him. Mahbub is a very social boy. Look, the stem indicates which process. The answer will be socialization. Socialization, it means is a lifelong process. The process of socialization involves the whole thing from the very birth of a child till death. He is getting experience through various media and method of adaptation in the society. In the every stage of its life, when a person needs to enter from one phase into another, he has to get acquainted and adapted with new environment and situation. Through this process of adaptation, a change takes place in its behavior. Adaptation with the new rules and regulation, norms, culture, situation, environment is named as the process of socialization. Look, with which institution are making Mahbub social? Family and school. You know, role of various institution of the process of socialization of a child. The role of family and family members, relative and neighbors, school and schoolmates, local society, local community, the religious institution, mass media. These are 87. Who said social change is the change in the human relationship? The answer will be B. MacIver. 88. Urbanization is process of switching from rural life to urban mode. What is the applied side of science? The answer will be A. Technology. One of the cause of the growth of slums in urban area is. The answer will be D. River erosion. 91. The result of industrialization is scope of work increase to splitting up of joint family. Number 3. Number of slum increases. The answer will be D. 92. The organic elements to change the society are. The answer will be D. Ramija Begum passed SSC exam last year. She joined in a school as a peon in last month. The change of Ramiza is called women empowerment. You know, this is the current issue of women empowerment. You know, the social change creates a platform of women. What do you mean by women empowerment? Women involves in the income generating activities, and they establish their position in families and societies, and they participate in national building development. 94, which is the main cause of social anarchy? Degradation of values. Degradation of values. This is one of the social anarchy. The change of the social value is closely associated with the change of the society. When the society develops in education, industrialization, urbanization, and in technology, then its social values also gets changed. Such changes of the social values may be both positive and negative. The positive changes are socially accepted facts, and the negative changes are socially unaccepted facts. This is degradation of values. 95, whose result women development policy is? Social awareness. 96, at last how many years punishment are there for oppression towards women and children? 2 years. The answer will be A. 97, our duties to the AIDS patient. You know, AIDS is identified. At first we have to know what is AIDS. The HIV is a special type of micro lentivirus. The full name of the virus is human immunodeficiency syndrome deficiency virus. Its short name HIV. HIV, which one once entered into a human body, destroy gradually the immunity power of the body. HIV viruses remains dormant in the body for a long time, but usually this dormant period lasts for 6 to 7 months. The virus remains in different organs of the affected person, in the blood, semen, vaginal and secretion, spit, tears, urine, breast milk. This virus is very harmful to human body. The full name of the acronym AIDS is acute immunodeficiency syndrome. So and who carry this virus and affected person, his family to suffer social torture. Almost all society of the world treats the affected person with hatred. No cooperation or sympathy is shown to the affected person. Rather, they have a cooperation or sympathy is shown to the affected person. Rather, they have a negative impression about them. As a result, they die mental death before their physical death. The AIDS infected person gradually loses all his working capability, which makes his or her family in a financial fragile position. Besides, by the untimely death of breadwinner of the family, the whole family faces a sudden inconsistency and disaster. The mutual relation and trust between husband and wife faces deterioration in many cases due to this disease. So, due to the duties to be done to the AIDS patient, the AIDS contaminated person and need essential treatment besides social and mental support. They must be taken to healthcare center if they get fever, diarrhea and pain. Arrangement for regular nutritious food and enough rest is needed. Maintenance social support from the family and society is important. So the answer will be to show some sympathy. A. 98 causes of anarchy are. The answer will be D. When was the National Child Labor Prevention Policy determined? The answer will be A. 2010. When did Prevention Operation Towards Women and Child Act has formed? Answer will be 2000. In which date the Shohid Minar erected first was inaugurated? On. The answer will be C. On 23 February. Which one is the antipode of 45 degree east longitude? The answer will be A. 135 degree west. When the night is longest is length in Bangladesh? The answer will be B. How much angle is generated by the diameter of the earth? The answer will be D. 105. Then the local time of Calcutta and London is different. It is occurred which factor of the earth? Diurnal motion. What is the main factor for bringing change in life and livelihood of the people of Bangladesh? The answer will be A. Climate. How is the climate of Bangladesh equable? Answer will be A. 108. The hills of the tertiary age were formed by. The answer will be B. The 109. How many rivers are there in Bangladesh? Answer will be D. 700. 110. What does water resource management mean? The answer will be B. 111. Which type of energy resource of hydroelectricity renewable? A. 112. What percentage is required for forest of the total area of a country? 22-25%. 113. The reason behind the navigability problem and low tide of the river of Bangladesh is. The answer will be D. 114. Bangladesh government made a deed with India regarding enclave and exchange enclave. What type of factors of government is this? The answer will be C. 115. The supreme and absolute power of the state is. The answer will be D. 116. Who is the chief in the executive of Bangladesh government? The answer will be D. 117. The answer will be C. 118. The answer will be B. Latin. 119. When did the maternity off day upload in 6 months? The answer will be D. 120. What is one of the main reason of demanding dowry? The answer will be A. Poverty. So dear student, I close my lecture and I already solved 120 question. Have you any problem? Please contact with me. Thank you very much.